Hello and welcome. In this lesson, still on basic computer skills, we'll be looking at how to organize files and folders on the desktop. On this journey, you are going to be creating a whole lot of files, document files in different formats, image files, video files, and so many other things that you are going to be creating using your computer. And it is important that you know how to organize your files. Sometimes when you open the desktop of some of our colleagues, you will see the entire desktop like this from left to right is occupied with different kinds of documents. Why is this so? It is so because the owner of such computer has not utilized basic simple ways to organize files and folders such that your computer, your desktop will look neat and tidy without having to grope in the dark looking for files. Because ordinarily your files should have been properly labeled. Your folders also must be properly labeled. Now let's look at how to navigate and ensure that the desktop is neat and clean. Before then, once you launch your computer and your computer has fully booted, what you have before you is your desktop. It is not that the type of computer that is placed on top of a desk is the desktop computer. Nah, your desktop is what is on the screen when your computer fully booted. All right, so you would have icons. Let me show you this so that we don't continue to speak theory. Let me show you what icons are: the taskbar, the start menu, as well as research. These are constant items that you would find on every desktop. So here is my own desktop. Well, it's looking a little bit tidy, but it is not so tidy like that. So everything you are seeing here, for instance, this is an Excel document. It is a file. This is a video file. If you click on it, you can see MP4 file. Files with MP4 extension are video files. If you click on this one, no. Okay, you can see that it is a Microsoft Excel worksheet. All right. If you come here, you would see JPG file. JPG files are images. So all these are files. Whatever it is that you create with your computer is a file. So after having created files, the next thing you want to do to keep your desktop tidy is to create folders for those files. And how do you do that? Okay, for instance, I have this image and this image and this image like that. So I should create a folder by right clicking. When you right click, you put the cursor on new and then take it to folder. All right, you name the folder in such a way that you will not forget. So I would name my own folder new photos, and you click out. Now you have created a folder. Right now, how do you now move the files into your folder? All right, you can do that by left click and then drag the file into the folder like that, or right click and cut the file, and then come here, open the folder, right click and paste. Boom, it is in the folder. So let me close the folder. It is still here. And you can also Let's use the drag and drop method for the third one. Boom. You can see that all the files have been moved to the folder. You can also create folder in folder. For instance, if I open this AHA instructor folder, you would see I have different kinds of files there. I have image files, I have video files, I also have subfolders inside that folder. So you can do that depending on how you want to arrange your files on your desktop. So, and then in case you are busy, you have been working and creating folders and creating files, and the thing is scattered like this, in order to take them back, to rearrange them, you can right click and then sort by, usually I like to sort by item type. When you click on that, boom, everything goes, all the items of similar nature are put together. You can see that the folders are together, the files, the different files are together. And I think I should also create a folder for the browsers here, because this is a browser, this is another one, this is another one. So let me right click and then new, take it to folder, browsers, click out. Oh, I have another folder that is named browser, so I cannot name my new browser. Right, so let me name it new browsers, new browsers. Okay, and then it is done. So there is a cool way to actually move your files to the folder. If you can see the cursor, left press the, whether you are using the buttons on the trackpad or you're using your mouse. So you left click and hold it down and then take it all the way across what you want to move. All right, release and then hold down the left key and move to the folder, and everything is moved at once rather than moving it one by one. You escaped, come to your home. And then I right click, I sort by item type, and then it goes home. So that is how you can arrange your files and folders. And on the desktop as well, you have this at the bottom. You have you call this the taskbar. Taskbar is where you place the files and the applications that you use often and often, so that you would not need to come here to click on all and then begin to scroll looking for application that you need often and often. So you can easily pin whatever application that you use often, you pin it onto the taskbar. Like I said earlier, your file digital documents, they could be documents, they could be images, or a piece of data. Even if you type 1 on the computer, is a file. All right, and you saved it, it's a file. And then I have also talked about extensions. Wherever you see docx, it means a document. All right, whenever you see JPG, it means, oh, this is an image file. Whenever you see PDF, portable digital file, it is also a document file in a different format. All right, and a folder is like your normal folder. In fact, it has the shape of the normal folder. It's your virtual container that is used to organize files and different data. All right, and then it is represented by the folder icon like this. Thank you. I will see you in the next class.